Today we're making a delightful Mediterranean shrimp and turkey sausage dish with tender broccoli all in one pan. It's quick, delicious, and perfect for a hearty meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Hello everyone, I'm Farhad and thanks for joining me today. You know, I love a dish that checks all the boxes, and this one does it all. Healthy, tasty, Mediterranean inspired, keto friendly, made in one pan, and you can enjoy it in 20 minutes. Can't beat that. So we're going to do this in two different parts. So first we need some olive oil. We're going to keep it on a medium heat for now. I'm going to start off by sauteing half the onions thinly sliced. We're going to cook that about a minute or so. Then I'm going to add 4 cloves of chopped garlic. And then cook that for about 30 seconds. Once the onions start to get tender, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 cups of broccoli florets. And then we're going to cook this for a couple of minutes. I still have it on medium heat. Continue to stir the veggies. We want the broccoli cook about 50–60%. We still want them to be a little bit crunchy. Okay, I'm going to transfer them to a bowl. Now we're going to cook our turkey sausage and the shrimp. So we're going to start with turkey sausage first. Okay, we'll put them on a medium again. We're going to cook this for a couple of minutes. I'm going to add some seasoning to it. First, start with some salt and pepper, some paprika. This is like 1 teaspoon of paprika. It's smelling wonderful. Now we're going to add shrimp to it, half a pound, small shrimp. Now be mindful that the shrimp, we only want to cook it a few minutes. These shrimps cooked fast, we don't want them overcooked. Okay, now we're going to add the veggies to the shrimp and sausage and mix everything well. We're almost there. I really don't think it takes even 15 minutes. And now what we're going to do is I have 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce and 1/4 cup of honey mixed together well. However, I'm not going to add all of them at once. I'm just going to add some now. And then if we need to add more, I add more. A little bit of taste. Yeah, perfect. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Couple more things left to do. We're going to add some chopped fresh parsley, and of course we gotta have some lemon juice on top, and voila, we're done. Bon appetit. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends, and leave me any comments or question you may have. I greatly appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.